Oh wow, it's just pouring down, everybody. It's about time we have some good rain in here in Houston, Texas. Wow, look at that. Lots of rain. I was gonna water the plant today, but I don't think that's needed. Hope you enjoy your afternoon. Keep yourself fresh, no matter what you are going through. One day, it will be just a memory. Just be happy. If something that you don't like, change. You have the right to make yourself being happy in any moment. Create peace within yourself. Have a good one. Buddha love you, and so do I.